In recent months, Amazon has had good deals for Prime members. No less important on the list was the removal of screen lock ads for their exclusive discount phones, which offer the same discounted prices as before without ads for those with Prime. At $210 for the highest specification of 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage of Moto G5 Plus, this is about $40 of the usual price on the street. With this discount, there is a lot of phone for the money. The Motorola Moto G5 Plue 64 GB is a specified variant of our top selection in our guide, the best economical Android phone. Ryan Whitwam wrote, "The Motorola Moto G5 Plus has better performance, cleaner software and better build quality than other inexpensive phones. Unlike most cheap unlocked phones, it works on all major U.S. operators. U.S., including Sprint and Verizon based on CDMA, is only splash-resistant, not fully waterproof, like some older Moto G phones, and your camera is not available in comparison to more expensive phones, but it's still the best cheap phone for most people."